everybody, how you doing tonight? Or morning, whatever time it is, wherever you're watching from. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but I just haven't got around to it. It's been a long, kind of weird winter for me, but it's time to do it. What I'm going to do today is do a taste test of my hard cider I made. I'll post a link to the video of me making it, and you guys can check that out. But I'm finally going to taste it. I've actually had some already over the winter, but this is like the official taste test for YouTube and see how it is. So I had 2 or 3 different bottles I did them in. I did them in nice like grocery style with the pop caps. Did some in smaller beer bottles with proper like bottle cap. I did some in kombucha bottles as well, but I won't show you those because they got labels from kombucha still on them. So they've probably been in the bottles for like at least 3 to 4 months now, so they've been aging nicely. And when I put them in the bottles, they weren't super clear, but now as you can see, they're super clear now. Nice looking color, and there's some carbonation going on as well. So I'll do a quick close-up for you guys so you guys can see the nice color of it. So here we go, nice color to it. Really impressed. Cleared up nicely compared to what I thought it was going to be when I first bottled it, put it towards the light. But yeah, really impressed with that. So we'll pop it open and we'll get some taste test going. Okay, so set this one aside, and I'll just pop this one open. Apparently I don't drink much. I have a hard time opening this beast up. There we go. So, first up, smells not too bad. Nice little smell to it. A nice little pour. A little bit of sediment in the bottom from sitting so long, but that's okay. And as you can see, got some nice little bubbles going there. Not super carbonated, but not like undercarbonated as well. So we'll take a little sip here. Ooh, got some nice apple flavor. So the longer it ages, it's getting different flavors as it goes. When I first tried it, it was pretty decent. In the past few times I've tried it, it's been on a little sour side, a bit of the dry side. So what I've been doing is adding a little bit of maple syrup to it to just give it a little bit of a nice sweetness. But this one actually tastes pretty good. At first it's kind of a bit of a little bit of a sourness to it, but then as it mellows out, it's got a nice rich apple flavor to it, kind of like apple juice, which is pretty awesome. So this one here, I don't have to add any sweetener to it. This one seems to be pretty good, so I'm pretty impressed with it. Next time I make it, I think what I'll probably do is when I'm first fermenting it in the carboy, I'll probably put some apple juice concentrate in there, because I read that will help sweeten it up a bit and not be so dry in the finished product, and then it'll be a little sweeter, not so dry, and might have a nice flavor, a bit more of a, I guess, sweetness to it, and a bit more body to it. So we'll give it another try here. So for my first time, yeah, like I said, not too bad. It's pretty good. As you can see, I don't know if you can see from there, still got some of the carbonation popping up nicely. So there you go. So usually these bottles here, I won't drink by myself because that's a lot. When I did an alcohol by volume calculation, it said it's probably about 6% alcohol, 6.5%, somewhere in between there, because I didn't really measure when I first started, so I'm kind of guessing. So it's got a nice little bit kick to it. If you have one like me, cheap drunk, one of these goes a long way. So one of these would do you well. Have a great night. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked that little quick sampling of my homemade cider that I did this year. I'll definitely be doing another batch, hopefully in the summer. I've got my juice from pressing last year in the freezer, ready to go for the next round once I finish this. There's still got so many bottles to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there and getting ready for the gardening season. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share them around. We'll see you out there soon. Bye.